Yes, sir, in a water store.
Now water store, you combine the natural water, people, purify water and filter water.
Yeah, man, I take no.
You know what I'm going. It is the people. Yeah, so we get the purify water them. I go and me YouTube family, big up on yourself. Concern spring with it. Record myself on it. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So I go now preview me come say. Over there in the street I do. Come to get some water. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, come to get some water and then thing there. So I go see the movements in the street. Yeah, yes, man.
Yes, sir, they go pro.
You see, pray. Yeah, man, pick up yourself. Watch out, now go over the post office and forward. So I'm forward leave it. Alkaline. Okay? How much you leave it?
5 in a farm bucket, people.
Alright. Young people, I get some water, some alkaline water. Go over the post office, pay one bill, and then stop at the juicy beef patty. Go about one patty for me Empress, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, yeah. So we do it in the street. Oh, Josh Patty, I need to know more than right so, you know? Yes, sir. Yeah, we are touching on the street. One patty. You can get a one patty, a juicy beef patty, but we're not buying a patty right now. We go over the post office. Go over the post office. So I want to pay for your license and them thing there. You didn't near the tax office. You maculate over this to the side of the road. You maculate Conception High School. I'm on a conscience with the people. So I like you, the more West and everything there. Wherever what they say. You can see what I go on. So only can see what I go on with now the street. Just I like my work on the post office right there now too. So then build a mini one. So then build a mini one. So we have to work with the mini one. Yeah, I work with a mini one. You to be a light bill. Greetings. You to be a light bill. Greetings. Right.
The afternoon, I'm not selling any other stuff. No, no, no. You don't do anything.
Change. Work on the receipt. Thanks. Yes, sir. Get my receipt and I'm on my way. Better go to the party store and get a party for the Empress because she just want a shrimp party. I might get a soya party for myself. I don't know when I consume beef or meat and everything there. You see me? So all our people who know if you try to make sure someone subscribe, drop a like on the video and share it out. Same way. I don't know what I'm going to preview or what I'm going to concern spring. See tax office there? You want to go pay your taxes and them things there or what they say pay. You see? Yeah, man. This is Jamaica. So the road mad and busy. But they are looking at one day walk going. First them must say a black man walk with camera in Jamaica. Normally white people are doing things. But we are doing it our place. Confidence upon a high level. So you have confidence in everything you're doing. You know what I mean? When I walk and video people, so I keep the camera up on myself. You hear that? So I'm going to the store. Enough me can record and I put this up still. Still have one. Party store, get a one party for the Empress. I get a one sorry and party for myself. You know what I mean? Then the people. So that's all the price. You know what I mean? You must stay tuned and watch it. Just give me a shrimp and a sorry and an orange juice. Country style. Country style.
980.
980?
980.
Thank you, Mama, for the
You
9
want
months.
to carry me. That's the son. Yeah, man.
Have to change it. Listen.
Chicken, 2 chicken, 2 beef, and 2 soup.
Hello, good morning, good morning.
Yeah,
You want me with Alex from selling soap at the street here?
So we get the famous Jamaican party. Who know eat party for a long time. But share some party with them today. Yeah, man. Long time some people eat party, you know. We're not going to eat on the screen today. I bring them out for my Empress, you know. Yeah, my people. So I'm just tuning in and watch what I collect my bucket of water now. Pay for it. That is it, my brother. That is it. You see me when you say what I go on in Jamaica. You don't know them what I go on TV and them things there, you know. Give them a review, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, in a water store.
Now water store, you combine the natural water, people, purify water and filter water. You know what I go on. It is the people. Yeah, so we get the purified water there. So I go on concert. Where you just, brother?
Eh?
Where's your name?
191 constant.
191 concert. You see what you're there?
Well filtered.
Yeah, man. Well filtered. See there? No joke.
You can contact the number.
Alright, people. You see what I go on? Yes, sir. Alright, that's how we did. What damage, brother?
550.
No, we can't drink Babylon pipe water, you know. Now, come get on the filtered water, people. Right, that's all. Yes, sir. You want to drive comfy?
Eh?
You want to drive comfy still? No?
Yeah.
Alright. Warrior, here, warrior, you know. So, I want to give you a strength. Big up sick.
One sick, you know.
One sick, you know. Yes, sir. Don't have conscience people that so them play the ball field on paper, so them play the ball game, you know. But the ball game now play now. You see me I say? All the ball season over.
That's the wife today.
You know she up on the block?
Oh.
Yeah, my teacher. Up on the block, man.
Yeah.
Can't manage the movement. Sometimes we are move, we can't move with them, you know, brother.
Yeah.
So if you think, when female they want to use bathroom, they want to You see me I say?
Yeah, I really.
What's your style now?